Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
So what's going on, my credit snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins. Guys, today I'm going to bring to you something unscripted. And what I mean by that is I usually research, package the product that I want to give you. And the reason being is I want to make sure that I give you something that is truthful. Sometimes we know the knowledge of the content, but I want to make sure that it's also up to date. I want to make sure that I give you the proper information because here at Credit Assassins, we want to make sure that we give you everything ethically. Now, guys, something that I want to make sure today I want to bring to you it's little tricks that I've done. As a leader, I believe that on the law of the picture. And what I mean by that is that anything and everything that I'm going to tell you as the leader of Credit Assassins is something that I've done. It's something that I already put in practice. It's something that I proved to be right, to be useful, and a trick, and I'm not gonna say a hack, but a trick that is working for all of us. So what I'm gonna show you today is something that I never allow anyone else to see. Only my close people, close friends, that I've been able to show them little by little because I wanted to make sure this worked. Now, going public about this, I had a partner which kind of screwed me over. But before I tell you the story, guys, a selfless plug right here. Hey, this is your first time on our channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you click on that bell icon. Make sure that you click on all. So like that, you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. But guys, too, you're going to love this. Give me the thumbs up. This is going to help me tremendously so I can continue reaching the multitudes, reaching the many. My goal is to help you become the best you by helping you in credit and allowing you to create that generational wealth that you want. Now, guys, let's go to this. So I'm gonna tell you a story before I show you what I wanted to show you. See it's a little folder right here. It says credit score. And this is the Credit Assassins. If you didn't know, this is the way I dress up at night and I come out to the night just like Batman. No, I'm just kidding. But so going back to the story is I had a partner that decided to use my information to become a co-applicant on a credit card. Not knowing, he also decided to fault it or default on that account and let it go to collections. And guess what was dragged with that collection? My name. So all of a sudden, in January 2nd, 2022, I woke up one day because remember, I preach to you every morning, every day. 1, check your credit score. 2, check your bank accounts. That's the first thing that I do in the morning. Open my apps. I need to make sure my credit score is there, and I need to make sure my money's there too. So I check my credit score, and it has gone from the 804 to the 553. You want to talk about waking up quick and figuring out what the hell was going on? That happened that day. I was frantic. I was pissed. I was disoriented. I didn't know what the hell was going on. It was a day that I had to start putting or piecing things together. It was like a puzzle that whole day. Start calling creditors, start trying to figure out, see what, when, how this happened. So I finally found a account with American Express. So my ex-partner, not partner anymore, had decided to fault it on a credit card about 6 months prior to that. American Express is a relationship type of bank or type of creditor that will allow you to get away with certain things, but once you get away with, they dictate what you could get away with or not, they will definitely blacklist you. That's for sure. Never mess around with American Express. So that day, for some crazy reason, that's the date that they decided to send that to collection. So what happened, since I was the co-applicant, I have 5 different cards with them, 3 personal and 2 business. They closed all my credit cards. I lost about $86,000 in credit line. And one card, which was my business card, since the other one went to collection, they send it automatically to collection. And guys, just to give you a snapshot, this is what happened. I'm gonna tell you the story. And little by little, you're about to start seeing. And guys, I saw my name as 563, and I was going bananas. I'm like, I don't know what the hell was going on. Now, that same day, I have a partner of mine, and we sat down and we tried to strategize, and we put together a great plan. And throughout the month, we decided to start fighting certain things. And a lot of the tricks that I tell you when you actually work with the sub-bureaus, freezing the sub-bureaus, changing the addresses, making sure that you send the proper letters. And guys, we had the best credit blueprint. This is what I'm telling you. The best credit blueprint is the best credit blueprint, because the best credit blueprint, I created it the first time for myself, and I used it the second time for myself. And I want to show you how I went. So I went from the 563 to an 840. And that was probably, say about almost 18 days later. An 840. I'm 640, I'm sorry. Then a month later, I was in the 712. And I want to show you all 3 credit bureaus in every possible way, because I don't want you to say, oh, he only pulled this from one, so they don't show in the other one. If you see here, that went up 73 points in January 12th. Guys, I'm telling you, this is something that I've learned, and I want to make sure that you guys see that in the Credit Assassins team, we had the best tricks, the hacks, tricks. So we went to the 722. Look at that. February went to the 722, and that went down 3 points. I think I was actually applying to some other credit cards. I was trying to use different ways to actually start raising, actually increasing some credit lines, getting some authorized user, or creating the trade lines. And guys, and throughout February and April, the course was updated so much. Every month, probably every 2-3 weeks, it was updated, because I was finding out so many new hacks. And you know what? I love that this happened to me, because more than ever, I could tell you what I've been able to do. And more than ever, I could show you that the way that we do it at the Credit Assassins team works. 725. Then we went to a 751 by February 17, guys. I'm telling you, it was going the best. A 751, look, it is very hard. Look, so remember that they closed about $86,000 of my credit line available. That affected me on the credit utilization. And I tell you what, those 86,000 were not used. I was probably using between 2% to 3% of the available credit. So guys, that hurt me a lot. I had to go around and start looking for new credit. And then right about, let's see, what was the time on this? We went to a 782. Let me see. I want to make sure I make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Here we go. April 10th. And look, today is May 10th. April 10th, I was in the 782 already. Guys, how many people in the market right now, I don't care who you're talking about, you could talk about any of my competitors, can show you their credit score and what they are able to do. I want to debunk everything. I want to go full front with anyone, and I want to make sure that I show you that our ways and how we do what we do really works. Then we went to a 790. A 790. What was the date on this? Yeah, April 13. A little more, like a couple days after that, went up 8 points. Guys, 790. Then we went to a 793. 793, and I wanted, like I'm saying, I'm showing you different ways, and this is actually almost close to the May 1st. This is when spirits start changing the way. So now they have a different way on how they do over here, guys. You see this right here? It's amazing right here. Now they changed the way on how you can see the credit reports, which is not the way that I'm used to it. But again, it's a new way that they have, I guess, a new software that they're using. But it's okay. Not too fun to me. I'm not gonna save this. I wrote on it. But guys, today, May 10th, 2022. Bada back, drum roll. Guys, let me show you a A30A. Come on, guys. How many people? I want to go full front with anyone. Can't tell you that they went from January 2nd to be at 563 to a May 10th in a matter of less than 5 months, or 5 months. Let's just say 5 months. January, February, March, April. Yeah, less than 5 months. From a 500 to an 838. I'll let you be the judge on this. And what I'm trying to say is, guys, no BS. This is partial my French, no bullshit. We got the actual proven methods, and I think this shows you more than anything else. We can help you. We have, and by the way, I want to make sure that you guys also understand that we are not attorneys, nor financial planners, nor CPAs. We are not a credit repair company. We are not going to repair your credit. So if that's you want somebody to do it for you, I'm sorry. Go somewhere else in which they're going to pull your chain. They want to put you on a hamster wheel and charge you on the monthly basis. That's not us. We are going to help you. We are going to teach you. We're an education company. And we're going to teach you what's right and what works and how you can get to the 800 club, guys. We're about to start a new system in which we're gonna make sure that we're gonna incentivize you for you to get to the 800 club. Not only that, Credit Assassins just unveiled what's called the 360 Business Vantage. And what the 360 Business Vantage is a revolutionary software that no other company in the United States has, in which we help your company, your business, your small business to meet big business lending. Guys, that's a promise. And you see that we could do, and we prove what we do. Guys, hey, I hope that you love this content because it was from the heart. I want to show that I share one of my wins with you and want to show you what's possible by using what we have available for you. So guys, if this was your first time on my channel and you just passed through, subscribe, because there's a lot more coming. I don't want you to miss it. I want you to click on that bell icon, click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that we're gonna be posting some new content. But guys, give me the thumbs up because this was a hell of a content. We're gonna be bringing more. We're gonna be breaking the house. We're gonna be giving you the tools so you could build your own home, your own wealth. Guys, a recession is coming. I want you to get credit right. I want you to build the credit that you need, and I want you to get the credit available so you could take advantage of when the recession comes around. Guys, as your servant leader, this is Carlos. I am the Credit Assassin, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?